94 to 43.
Okay. Well, Lisa.
It's a nice little cruise up to Mequon.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Okay, everything's secured. Spectacles, testicles. Oh, well, now this one wasn't. Well,
Spectacles,
imagine.
Testicles, wallet, and watch. Huh.
Got him. Got him. All right.
It's an off chance I even made it over this way. Almost funny, some would say. Never happens too soon, but it once in a blue moon. It's just how things play out. So that still hoping not to see you here. And it's so that still hoping not to see you here. With a smile so divine, I've been more inclined to do whatever you desire. Take your pick, I know all the cheap tricks, but everyone's got a bit fix. It's all that, still hoping not to see you here. It's all that, still hoping not to see you here. It's all that, still hoping not to see you here. And it's all that, still hoping not to see you here. When the last ship is sailed and calling out to no avail, warm sun rays shining every which way.
Yay. Oh. Oh my God. It's so beautiful.
Now we're balling. Well, shall we walk?
Burning shoulders, growing olive. I heard it.
I got a lot of ass for a skin graft.